What up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video I'm actually going to be showing you guys my wash day routine for my hair. I recently have taken it out of a protective style. I had some chunky braids in and it kind of looks like a squirrel's nest that's been driven over, and it ain't cute. So I'm going to be showing you how I rectify my head top and make it look presentable to air dry until I'm ready to do the next protective style. So starting off, I actually section off my hair to prepare for the pre-poo or the pre-shampoo treatment. I will actually be using some sweet almond oil. I'm over the bathroom sink, so I take the oil and I saturate my hair with it. And just press it through with my hands. Once I've saturated all my strands, I then proceed to use my fingers to start detangling and loosening any shed hair that might have lodged itself during the protective style. As you can see, I'm not being rough. I try to take my time because I don't want to cause any breakage. So I do this loosely, and then once I am finished, I just twist it up so it doesn't tangle back on itself while I work on the other side. So after I've done that to both sides, I then put a shower cap on. And this is because I want to do sort of a mini hot oil treatment. And I leave that for 5 minutes. Once I've left that for 5 minutes, I then go over to the bath. Yeah, I'm old school like that. I still wash my head over the bath. I tip my head over and I just rinse the excess oil. Right now I'm using like lukewarm water. It's not really hot, but it's like body temperature, I'd say. Not too hot. Next, I go ahead and use shampoo. I'm using a Giovanni shampoo, and I like this shampoo because it cleanses without making my hair feel stripped. I believe it's sulfate free, so it lathers enough. I start with my scalp. I do shampoo my hair only because I know there's product buildup and residue and debris from the braids, so I tend to focus more on the scalp, but I do run my hands through the shampoo. As you can see here, I'm just showing you the areas of my hands that I'm using to massage my scalp. Please don't use your fingernails because it's actually really damaging to your scalp. I use the pads of my fingers and I run them gently on my scalp. As you can see, I'm telling you that my back is aching. When I tell you I haven't bent over the bath in so long, because sometimes I wash my hair while I'm having a shower, so I'm not always bent over like that. But it was hurting me, boy. I then actually go in a shampoo again. You can see the joke shape. What am I like? I look like a Teletubby. But I do shampoo twice. The shampoo runs through my hair the second time round just to make sure it's clean but not stripped and dried out. So then I go to rinse that out. Then I move on to conditioner. I've been using the Shea Moisture Deep Treatment Mask in their Shea Butter line, and I really love this product because it's thick, and because I have really porous hair, I need a thick product to coat my strands and add the moisture back in. And I prefer masks to conditioners when it's cold out, because I feel like my hair just needs the extra food. So I tend to use a thicker product, and not all conditioners are that thick. Hair masks tend to be thicker, so I like using those. So I just put the mask on my ends and work it into my hair, working from the ends up. I do this so when it comes to parting my hair, it doesn't snag as much when I come to detangle it with a utensil. I also take this time to remove any shedding. So as you can see, I've just parted my hair in two, and I always work in sections. I usually work in 4 sections because even though I have 4B or type 4 hair, I won't go into like 4A, 4B and 4C because I have different textures across different areas of my head. But even though I have type 4 hair, it's fine. It's not like thick, but it's not fine either. It's kind of in between, but it's more on the like finer side. So I only have to section it in 4. So once I section it in 4, I then go in with more moisture mask, and I work in the product further. I also take this opportunity to finger detangle more thoroughly. As you can see, my curls are starting to clump. Then this is when I use my Tangle Teaser. Tangle Teaser is actually, like, in my experience, it's the best detangling tool other than my fingers that I like to use. It doesn't snag, it doesn't hurt, and because it has 2 levels of bristles, there's short bristles to catch the finer hairs, the shorter hairs, and the longer ones will catch all the other hairs. I just really enjoy using it, and as you can see, it hardly takes me any time to detangle the section. Once I can see that the comb is comfortably through, I will twist it up. I also detangle as I go along, just to make sure that as I'm twisting my hair up, it's not tangling back up and reversing all the detangling that I've just done. So I work section by section, and I do this to all 4 sections. So as you can see, my hair is slightly elongated. It's detangled, I've twisted it up. As you can see, this is all of the hair that has shedded since detangling. It's not as much as I used to experience, and it looks like a lot because I haven't combed my hair I had those braids in for about 4 to 5 weeks. So that's 4 to 5 weeks worth of shedding. I then put a shower cap on again, and I do this treatment for around 10 minutes. If I have more time, I'll do it either overnight or at least half an hour, but my hair didn't need so much, so I just kept it in for 10 minutes. Once I've taken the cap off, as you can see, my hair has shrunken a little bit. This means that the product has been absorbed and my curls are springy. They've sprung back because all the moisture's been absorbed. I then go to rinse this again. Now, this time when I rinse my hair, I don't actually take the twists out. In my experience, when I used to take the twists out, my hair used to tangle back. So now I just rinse my hair while it's still in the twists, and I will just squeeze the water through the twists. I actually leave some deep mask on my hair behind just to leave back some moisture, so when my hair air dries, it doesn't feel so dry. It's like an extra barrier before I start to add in leave-in conditioner and things. I then take a t-shirt, cotton t-shirt, not a towel, because the fibers actually make my hair static, and it's worse, it makes your hair drier, and it actually can cause breakage because your hair can get snagged on the texture of a towel. So I use a cotton t-shirt and I put that on my head. I actually leave it on my head for 5 minutes just to absorb all the extra water before I put the rest of the products on. It actually makes the drying time quicker when you have less water in your hair. I now use my leave-in conditioner. I've been using the Primal Beauty Hydrating Leave-in Conditioner. I really like, guys, this smells absolutely amazing, and because it's water-based, it's really moisturizing and it's easy to distribute throughout my hair. I also enjoy it because it's a cream-based leave-in conditioner. If I want to do extra moisture, sometimes I'll use a spray leave-in conditioner, then a cream leave-in conditioner, and then I'll top it with an oil or just any sealing oil-based product. And I just work that through my hair with my hands using the praying hands method, if you call it that. Then so it doesn't tangle up on itself while I'm doing the other sections, I just twist it into a chiny bump. Americans say Bantu knots. I just put it into a chiny bump until I'm ready to go back with an oil. So I do that to all 4 sections of my hair. I do like washing my hair. It used to be a whole day thing. Like, I don't know when you guys, like, my hair used to take me literally the whole entire day to wash. Now I've got my wash day routine down to 30 minutes, 10 minutes for each section. So a 10-minute oil treatment, 10-minute shampoo, and 10-minute conditioner. And I can be in and out of the bathroom in 30 to 40 minutes. So now I'm going in with my Dax curling pomade. Now I know this is beeswax based, and a few of you like that's not an oil. When I'm just trying to air dry my hair and I'm not styling it straight away, I will just use a beeswax or a heavy oil based product. I say this because, as I mentioned before, my hair is porous. If your hair is porous, it means that the hair shafts tend to remain open for longer periods of time. So my hair needs help for the hair shafts to close quickly so it doesn't lose moisture. So that's why I use a heavy product when I need my hair to dry. Once I'm restyling it, I will re-wet it and use either a leave-in conditioner again, and then I'll seal it with another oil, say jojoba oil or castor oil I like, and I also like to use shea butter as well. So I go through all the sections again, I just add the Dax and I work that through. As you can see, the curls actually start to clump. That's a sign to me that my shafts are smoothed down, so I just twist it up. At this point I flat twist them because this is how I'm going to sleep with my hair, and flat twisting it also helps my roots to be stretched while I'm drying it, because I no longer use a blow dryer. I haven't used a blow dryer in like 8 years. I only use a blow dryer if I straighten my hair, and I haven't straightened my hair in like 4 or 5 years. So it's only for a special occasion will I use a hair dryer to dry my hair. So I then take the same scrunchie and I twist around itself just so it's taut. So again, my roots are more stretched. I put that in a ponytail and then we are good to go. I tie my head down and I sleep on it, and that's me done. And I'm done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this chill video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, homies.